To make the most delicious homemade fried ice cream, all you need is Granny Sycamore white bread, and it turns into like a churro delicious fried ice cream ball. It's so good. Be sure to get this white bread and vanilla ice cream. And I have to give credit where credit is due. This recipe is from my friend Amber Carr. Amber, I love you, and you know this recipe is amazing, and I just had to share it. So thank you for this recipe. Get a 1/3 cup measuring cup and scoop out like 1/3 cup of ice cream. Form it into a ball with your hands, and then set this ball inside of a container and freeze it. I froze it overnight is best. And then once it's frozen, that's when you want to add the bread to it. Take 2 slices of Granny Sycamore white bread and cut off the crust. Then take the ball of ice cream and place it in between to sandwich it. And then you want to press the pieces together, forming a bread ball. Once it's all put together, close it as much as you can. It's not going to be perfect, but you're okay. Put this back in the freezer and freeze it for as long as you can. And then when it's frozen, it's going to be a hard ball like this one, perfect for frying. Get your bowl of sugar and cinnamon ready. It doesn't matter how much sugar or cinnamon you use, it's just you're going to roll the fried ice cream into the cinnamon and sugar when it's done being fried, and then you're going to top it with your whatever toppings you want to choose. And then you want to boil some vegetable oil on like medium high heat until the bread starts to do this. So the oil, when it starts to get hot, you want to use some of the bread, and you just want to place it inside of the oil. And so see how it starts to bubble like that? You want it to have the bread get crispy. It's getting there. So I wanted it to be a little bit hotter before I put the fried ice cream in. Okay, oh, see how it's getting browned? See how it's getting browned by just being in it just for a little bit? I think it's at the right temperature now. So we're gonna try one more time. Put it in. It fries it pretty darn fast. Okay, it's getting there. It's very hot. I can feel it on my hand. See, look, it's getting brown. So this is perfect. You want it to be brown like that when you pull out the fried ice cream. So let's get the fried ice cream and put it in. So the fried ice cream has been frozen in the freezer. You want it hard, like super hard. So I had it covered originally and it was too soft. So now I uncovered it and then I froze it again and it's perfect. And then you're gonna put this hard ball in to the boiling hot oil. And you need to buy or use a metal strainer. I once used a plastic strainer and I secretly got plastic over people's fried ice cream. So don't do that. Use a metal strainer or else the plastic will melt. Use the ladle. Don't hurt yourself, okay? Ladle it inside. Give it a second. See how it's getting crispy golden? It's getting crispy golden, look at it! Okay, this is the magic part. It's so good. Okay, so you don't want it to burn, but it's getting crispy golden. Just turn it a couple of times. It goes by so fast. Yes, perfect. Hey, see how it's crispy like that? Okay, now you want to transfer it to the bowl of cinnamon sugar. You want to mix it all together. Mix it, put it all on top of it. This is what makes it taste sugary sweet. And then you want to put this in a bowl and top it with your toppings, and it's going to be amazing. Your ice cream. Your whipped cream, your chocolate drizzle, caramel sauce, caramel, beautiful. I've been asked before, how does ice cream stay frozen when you fry it? You do it really fast. You fry it really fast. Okay, and now we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. It's going to be amazing.
Do I need my mic?
This is my homemade fried ice cream.
Do you think I'm gonna like it?
I don't know because you don't like the fluffies, but it's crispy and fluffy and it tastes like a churro. In my opinion, but you hate churros. So let's just try it. Let's try it.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay, ready? I like the shell completely crispy and the outside is crispy, but the inside is soft and it makes me feel like it's not cooked. It's gross.
No, it's okay.
I know it's bread.
It's cooked with bread. So it's fluffy. This is warm with the cold, with the fluffy and crispy with the soft, gooey of the ice cream. It tastes good.
You're also gonna think I'm weird. I'm not a whipped cream girl either.
Oh, shut up. What do you like?
Flan.
I'll make you my flan, okay? And then you can come over and
I like flan.
You can give me your review on that. For homemade ice cream, this is the best tasting fried ice cream I've ever had. I would give it a 10. Shut up. I would give it a 10. Oh. Because it tastes good. It tastes like a churro wrapped ice cream, and it's fluffy and crispy, and it's good. It's good. And it's homemade. It's okay. Honest opinion.
I'm gonna give it a solid 5.
A solid 5?
Because I like the ice cream and I like the sauces. I'm not a whipped cream person, and
She doesn't like the breading of it.
that was way too thick.
It's not.
If you like churros, you'll love it.
Thank you. You will. You will. And
overall, you did good. You did a good job.
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please let me know and give it a thumbs up. And be sure to check out these. See you guys next time.